Good afternoon, students. Now let us write one formula. First of all, if we'll do problems on periodic functions now. If f is periodic, comma, g is not periodic. See that, not periodic. But f of g of x, that is also called f circle g of x, that is composition of mappings we say. So composition of functions. So in the chapter functions, we can understand that. So there is just only one point here. So just remember this. F of g of x is periodic. Then g of x is a linear function. G of x is a linear function. What is meant by linear function? That is ax plus b. So you can see one example. Suppose f of x is equal to sin x. It is a periodic function with period 2 pi. And suppose g of x is equal to x square. That is not periodic. That is not periodic function. And now what is f of g of x? What is meant by f of g of x? G of x means x square. F of x is sin x. F of x square is sin x square. So f of g of x is equal to sin x square. Okay. See. So it is not periodic. This function is also not periodic. Right? But see, another example now. Fx is equal to sin x and g of x is equal to some 2x plus 3. Of course, that is also not periodic. 2x plus 3 is not periodic. But observe what happens to f of g of x. F of g of x means 2x plus 3. Now f of 2x plus 3 means sin 2x plus 3. You know that sin 2x plus 3 is a periodic function with a period 2 pi by x quotient 2 pi. So, what is the property here? Fx is a periodic function, g is not periodic function, then f circle g may be periodic, may not be periodic, but if this is also periodic function, definitely gx must be only a linear function. It is of the form ax plus b. So write down that property. So this weekend you are going to get a model of this problem. Suppose G is periodic, then we need not care about F. So F circle G, that is F of G is always periodic. G is periodic. Okay, that is already given in your exercise 1, first problem. If G is periodic, then what about F circle G? F circle G means F of G. It is periodic. See, we will do a problem. Page number 35. Question number 24. Page number 35. Question number 34. So F is periodic. F is periodic. G is non-periodic. G is non-periodic. And f of g of x is periodic. F of g of x is periodic. And g of 2 is equal to 3. G of 4 is equal to 7. What is g of 6? That is the question. See the information. F is periodic, G is not periodic, and F circle G is periodic. So definitely by property G of x be a linear function of the form ax plus b. So you should find a and b. So to find two values, you need two conditions. So those two conditions are given. G of 2 is equal to 3. So if you put x is equal to 2, you will get the value 3. G of 4 is equal to 7. If you put x is equal to 4, the value is 7. Now solve these two equations. 2a is equal to 4. Therefore, a is equal to 2. Substitute the value of a in one of these two equations. So 4 plus b is equal to 3. B is equal to minus 1. So we got the values of a and b, and hence, what is g of x? That is ax plus b now. Already I know a and b. So 2x minus 1. And the question is, what is g of 4? So for 2 is 8 minus 1, that is 7. Okay. So 4 only? Yes, it is. Not 4. It is already given. So what is the given question? What is the given question? G of 6. G of 6 is the question. 12 minus 1. 11 is the answer. See page number 40. Page number 40, first question. Summation r is equal to 0 to n f of x plus ra is equal to 0. Then what is period of f of x? Now what is this summation? Put r is equal to 0, f of x, put r is equal to 1, f of x plus a plus 1, put r is equal to n minus 1, x plus n minus 1 into a, put r is equal to finally n, f of x plus n a is equal to 0. So this is the question given. And what is the period? That is the question. So if we can find a number t such that f of x plus t is equal to f of x, then we can say that t is the period. Okay, and therefore here put x is equal to x plus a. Substitute here x plus a in place of x. So f of x plus a plus f of x plus a plus a, f of x plus 2a plus so on. So if you substitute x plus a here, it will become f of x plus ma plus f of x plus n plus 1a. There is another a extra. So n plus 1a. And this expression is 0. This expression is 0. Therefore, I am equating both the expressions in the left hand side of those two equations. F of x plus na is equal to f of x plus a plus so on, f of x plus ma plus f of x plus n plus 1a. So what happens? F of x plus a, f of x plus 2a, and so on, so on. These are cancelled. So the final equation is f of x is equal to f of x plus n plus 1a. See, the problem is over. F of x is equal to f of x plus t. So what is that t? N plus 1 into a. So it is a periodic function with the period n plus 1 into a. Item. And now see the page number 235. Page number 235. So there are some questions using periodic functions, useful ones. See first 8th question. Eighth question. F of x plus f of x plus 4 is equal to f of x plus 2 plus f of x plus 6. Now the question is, what is the period of the function f of x? What is the period of f of x? That is the question. Now see, put x is equal to x plus 2. All are just adding 2 plus 2 plus 2 like that. So put x is equal to x plus 2. What you will get? This is x plus 2 plus what is this? X plus 2 plus 4. X plus 6. What is this? X plus 2 plus 2. X plus 4. What is this? X plus 2 plus 6. X plus 8. Okay. And now there are two equations now. Here 1 and 2. Add these two equations. So 1 plus 2 gives f of x plus f of x plus 4 plus f of x plus 2 plus f of x plus 6. So this is the left hand side is equal to right hand side f of x plus 2 plus f of x plus 6 plus f of x plus 4 plus f of x plus 8. So this is right hand side. And so what is happening? So both sides, f of x plus 4 is cancelled, f of x plus 2 is cancelled, f of x plus 6 is cancelled. So you will get f of x is equal to f of x plus 8. And see, it is of the form fx is equal to f of x plus t. So what is the period of the function f of x? 8. Right? Any doubt here? Right. We'll do another one. Find the period of the function f of x if f of x plus 2 plus f of x minus 2 is equal to f of x. So actually, so you'll get in the middle of a problem. First of all, I have taken this f of x plus 2 plus f of x minus 2 is equal to f of x. So what is the period of this function? Okay, see, now put x is equal to x plus 2. Then f of x plus 2 plus 2, f of x plus 4 plus x plus 2 minus x, f of x is equal to f of x plus 2. Now take this equation as first equation. And after that, again consider this equation. In that equation only, put x is equal to x minus 2. Put x is equal to x minus 2. Right? Or now you can do like this. Simply put x is equal to again x plus 2. By going back, put x is equal to x plus 2. What you will get? X plus 2 plus 4, f of x plus 6, f of x plus 2 is equal to f of x plus 2 plus 2. So f of x plus 4. So first time, put x is equal to x plus 2, we got this. Again, by substituting x is equal to x plus 2, we got this. Now add these two equations. F of x plus 4 plus f of x plus f of x plus 6 plus f of x plus 2 is equal to f of x plus 2 plus f of x plus 4. Right? And now any cancellation, f of x plus 2 is cancelled and f of x plus 4 is also cancelled. So you get f of x plus f of x plus 6 is equal to 0. So I am writing this as f of x plus 6 is equal to minus f of x. F of x plus 6 is equal to minus f of x. So whenever you get minus, in the next step you will get the answer. How? Put x is equal to x plus 6 now. Put x is equal to x plus 6. So this equation becomes f of x plus 6 plus 6, f of x plus 12. So I will write here so that you can see clearly. So put x is equal to x plus 6. So you get f of x plus 12 is equal to minus f of x plus 6, and f of x plus 12 is equal to minus of, in place of f of x plus 6, I can write minus f of x, and finally f of x plus 12 is equal to f of x. Let's see, f of x plus t is equal to f of x. So what is the period? 12. Madam? Oh. ఈ యాడ్ చేశాను లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ సేమ్ ఉంటే కొట్టేయచ్చు కదా. అదే ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ సి పక్కన ఉంది, అటు పక్కన కూడా ఉంది చూడరా. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ సి రైట్ సైడ్ కూడా ఉంది చూడరా. రెండు వైపులా సేమ్ నెంబర్ ఉంటే క్యాన్సిల్ చేయొచ్చుగా. అంతే అయిపోయింది. Any doubt in this? Now remember this equation, f of x plus 2 plus f of x minus 2 is equal to f of x. Then what is the period of the function? 12. Remember that. So in the next question you will get that. Then I need not do all this once again. So that is a big question. In fact, it may be asked in the next weekend examination. See, page number 235, question number 6. F of x plus 1 plus f of x minus 1 is equal to root 3 into f of x. Then, what is the period of f of x? Right? See, first of all, put x is equal to x plus 1. Now, f of x plus 1 plus 1. f of x plus 2, f of x plus 1 minus 1, f of x is equal to root 3 into f of x plus 1. So what is this? This is first equation. By substituting x is equal to x plus 1, we will get this. Similarly, and now substitute x is equal to x minus 1 now. Put x is equal to x minus 1. What you will get? X minus 1 plus 1, f of x plus f of x minus 1 minus 1, x minus 2 is equal to root 3 into f of x minus 1. So this is second equation. This is second equation. Okay. And now add these two equations. 1 plus 2. What is left hand side? F of x plus 2 plus f of x plus f of x plus f of x minus 2 is equal to, you observe there is root 3 in those two terms. Take that root 3 common. Root 3 into f of x plus 1 plus f of x minus 1. So this implies f of x plus 2 plus 2 into f of x plus f of x minus 2 is equal to root 3 into, what is f of x plus 1 plus f of x minus 1? So I can use root 3 into f of x. Root 3 into f of x. What is root 3 into root 3? 3. 3 into f of x. There is 2 into f of x here. So you can simplify. You will get f of x plus 2 plus f of x minus 2 is equal to f of x. So this is the previous problem. Already we observed that the period is 12. So you may get this model. Suppose here in place of root 3, there may be root 2. Let's see. Fifth question. Let f be a real valued function with domain capital R. Now, if for some positive constant a, the equation f of x plus a is equal to 1 plus 2 minus 3 into f of x plus 3 into f of x whole square minus f of x whole cube whole power 1 by 3. So that is the question. So what is the period of the function? So this is the information and he's asking what is the period of the function f of x. Okay. See, first of all, I'll simplify that function the right hand side. I will write this 2 as 1 plus 1 minus f of x whole cube. Observe, this one is 1 cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3 a square b, 3a square b plus 3a b square. So what is that model? That is nothing but a minus b whole cube form. So 1 plus this is 1 minus f of x whole cube whole power 1 by 3. So this entire expression is nothing but 1 minus f of x whole cube. And for this whole power 1 by 3 is there. So in the next step I can write f of x plus a minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 minus f of x whole cube whole power 1 by 3. And in the next step I can write both sides cubing. If cubing both sides, you will get whole cube is equal to, but here whole power 1 by 3 is cancelled. You will get 1 plus 1 minus f of x whole cube. 1 minus f of x whole cube. So see in the next step, f of x plus a minus 1 whole cube minus 1 is equal to, this one is 1 minus f of x whole cube. This plus 1 is taken to the left hand side. So now put x is equal to x plus a now. Now here put x is equal to x plus a. And what you will get? F of x plus 2a minus 1 whole cube minus 1 is equal to 1 minus f of x plus a whole cube. Write down. See, I am going to use this, or directly cube is there, therefore I can use this. So I can erase up to this step. See once again, f of x plus a is 1 plus, this 2 can be written as 1 plus 1, so that this entire expression is 1 minus fx whole cube, a minus b whole cube formula. And therefore f of x plus a minus 1 is equal to this. By taking whole cube both sides, we get this equation. And after that, I have taken minus 1, 1 to this side, and by substituting x plus a in place of x, I will get this. Now, what next? What next? So this one, f of x plus 2a minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 1 is equal to, so if you take some minus common, minus of f of x plus a minus 1 whole cube. So why I have taken minus common? So in place of f of x plus a minus 1 whole cube, I can as easily write that. So that is equal to minus of 1 plus 1 minus f of x whole cube. So that is equal to minus 1 minus of 1 minus f of x whole cube. So both sides I can cancel minus 1. Therefore, f of x plus 2a minus 1 whole cube is equal to, so this minus 1 is cancelled. We get minus 1 minus fx whole cube. And if I take in another minus common, you will get fx minus 1 whole cube. See, the problem is over. After that, both sides take cube roots. You will get f of x plus 2a minus 1 is equal to f of x minus 1. You can cancel minus 1 both sides, and hence you will get f of x plus 2a is equal to f of x. And therefore, period is 2a. Right, see, second question. See the second question. F of x plus a is equal to 1 by 2 plus square root of f of x minus f of x whole square, and range of fx is 1 to 2. So what is the period of f of x? That is the question. Let's see. Now put x is equal to x plus a. Then you will get f of x plus a plus a. F of x plus 2a is equal to half plus square root of f of x plus a minus f of x plus a whole square. Okay. Now that is equal to 1 by 2 plus square root of, if you take f of x plus a common, we get 1 minus f of x plus a. That is equal to 1 by 2 plus square root of, see, f of x plus a means this one. That is, I cannot write the entire one here. So I will do one thing. Suppose I will take this as t. I will take this as t. Therefore, that is half plus t into, see, f of x plus a is half plus t. So 1 minus half minus t. So that is equal to half plus square root of half plus t into, this is half minus t. So that is equal to half plus square root of 1 by 4 minus t square, a square minus b square. And therefore that is equal to 1 by 2 plus square root of 1 by 4 minus t square. This is t, its square means, so square root and square will be cancelled. You will get minus fx plus f of x whole square. And this is equal to half plus. Now you can observe this. This is nothing but fx minus 1 by 2 whole square. That is nothing but fx whole square plus 1 by 4 minus 2ab, a minus b whole square. So square and square root are cancelled. Plus you will get fx minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is cancelled. F of x. So what is this? F of x plus 2a is equal to f of x. And therefore period is 2a. So right students, so do the problems on periodic functions, extreme values, and also trigonometric equations. Okay. So we'll meet tomorrow if I don't have any problem. Right. Otherwise, I will meet you on Monday.